The world of the pharmacist in oncology, I think, is actually changing also relatively dramatically. It's certainly in my time in medicine, which now goes over 30 years, when we started, and certainly 10 years, 15, 20 years after that, where basically one was distributing drugs. There was an FDA-approved indication. You gave that drug, you gave that dose, you gave that regimen, that strategy, and then if you needed to lower the dose, you'd lower it. But that is sort of the way oncology was practiced. As we increasingly see many cancers as chronic illnesses, we really got to focus on those toxicities, not just as they affect the patient today, but might affect the patient 6 months, 2 years, 3 years from now, when the patient may still be receiving therapies, becomes critical. It is also important to note that anti-neoplastic agents, a large part, and traditionally been seen as sort of as a revenue center. Increasingly, they're going to be seen as a cost center, where the cost of drugs is going to be looked at very carefully. Using the optimal drug, using the optimal strategy, figuring out when to use growth factors or not becomes critical. That's where a clinical pharmacist who specializes in the drugs, knows about the side effects, knows the data, is going to be so important to that individual oncologist or their team to help sort out what is best for that patient.